The trustees of a body corporate have the responsibility to set up a sound 10-year maintenance plan. It must aim to preserve and extend the useful life of the major capital assets that make up the capital value of the joint investment known as your community scheme. Such preventative activities include the maintenance of built structures such as walls, roofs, elevators, and paved areas, as well as bulk supply systems for water and electricity. The most cost-intensive items for community schemes tend to be exterior painting and waterproofing. While the 10-year maintenance plan is often delegated to an independent service provider, the onus remains on the trustees to keep it relevant and meaningful. A service provider can set up the basic framework that comprises a contemporary snapshot of cost estimates and scheduling recommendations. But the maintenance plan must be kept dynamic, with regular updates and rolled over from year to year, instead of compiling a static document from scratch every year that has no continuity. The trustees are in the best position to give the 10-year plan continuity and make ongoing adjustments to suit the body corporate's specific needs and financial capabilities. It is, therefore, essential that the service provider delivers a 10-year maintenance plan that is easily understandable and customizable for the client. This 3-minute tutorial will explain the features and functions of Mirfin's online dashboard that hand full control of the 10-year maintenance plan to the trustees. To access your 10-year maintenance plan online, click the blue button in the lower right corner of any page of the PDF 10-year plan. Go to the Reserve Fund tab to manage your maintenance plan. A line item can be deleted by clicking the minus icon. The divide icon splits the maintenance activity into multiple phases and automatically staggers the costs accordingly, taking the effect of inflation into account. The Add button inserts a new line item. Select the appropriate options from the drop-down lists to describe the asset category, asset condition, and maintenance required. You can even add a comment for future reference. When you obtain a cost estimate from a contractor or service provider, this can be entered into the column titled Estimated Maintenance Cost Today. The maintenance schedule can be adjusted by selecting the year of next maintenance from the drop-down options provided, or by typing the year. The recurring maintenance cycle can be set under Repeat Every in accordance with the asset's estimated lifespan. By default, the table displays all input columns and a limited number of output columns, representing year 1, year 2, and so forth. Click this link to hide the non-essential input columns and display all output columns up to year 10, allowing you to observe in real time the effects of your adjustments across all years. The levy contribution panel over here indicates the effect your changes have made on the levy per square meter. A detailed levy contribution schedule per each registered section will be included in the PDF version of your 10-year plan, which you can generate by clicking the PDF icon. To reset all values back to the last saving point, simply refresh your browser window. To restore a previously saved version, go to the Timeline tab and select your preferred version. As you can see, the Mirfin dashboard enables you to create multiple financial scenarios to be voted on at the annual general meeting. Click the displayed link to learn how to easily transform your 10-year maintenance plan into a 10-year cash flow forecast.